Hey guys, welcome to this Instagram guide, and here I'll detail how to send view once photo on Instagram. So if you want to send a photo on Instagram so that once it is viewed once, the photo will disappear, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, this allows you to send photos, video, or anything on Instagram in a chat and allow the person to only view the photo once. So all you just need to do here is go ahead and open the Instagram chat where you want to send view one photos to. Then once on the chat, just like this, click on this camera icon at the bottom left. Then here you can record your photo. Click on this. To use a split cam, use 4K, 8K, or click on the photos icon at the bottom left to select the photo from your profile. So just go ahead, search through the photo you want to send, and then select it on your iPhone. So let's say in this case, I want to send this photo. Select it. Now once you selected it, then you should see a feature that says keep in chat. Then go ahead and disable that. Once you disable keep in chat, then you should see view once, allow, replay, keep in chat. So disable keep in chat and make sure you have view once enabled here. And once you have view once here, just go ahead and click on send. Once you hit the send photo, then you should see the photo appear here, which is going to only be available to be viewed once. You can repeat this on all the photos you want to send on Instagram, just to be viewed once, like this. Then you should see view once. If view once is not here, tap on it again until you get to view once, then hit send. So that is basically how to send view once photo on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.